Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Ramba Kejala Ukondar Kisangma Haka Khat Pratrik Unaitung Ada Punrio Ulah Plepat Ba Yak CM Connect Center Sohïong Sin Adi Blok Babu Mawnongrim Ru Nabun Teli Ki Projek Peroi Ki Bekot Daki Spah Klur Haka program Kebalalong Haka Sunang Mauta Pelun Haka ni Kasni Lasa Kilang Ru Menteri Kesor Kejala Ubakmi Ikatrat Sin Adi Blok Buat Setuna Sotun UMLA Sohïong Konstitusi Buat Sinsia Kuparoi Lingdo Thaba Ki Opsar Ki Noyalam Sudong Bat Ki Pai Ba Nong Susnong Nalor ka Plie ka CM Connect Center Menteri Ramba ulah Plie baru sah nyutuli ki projek hak jingalang Menteri Ramba bak ki kendram ki lendan kilasam ya ki check ki village organization ba pair bar kentop ru ya ki sanction order ki self help group ba pair.
I request all the block officials to kindly proceed to the...
We will also have a simultaneous presentation of the projects on the Sohïong CNRB block. In the first one, we have the CM Connect Center Sohïong CNRB block. Project 2 includes construction of block integrated development complex at Sohïong CNRB block. It's only.
As you are all aware, that we have started a very small but a very meaningful program and a meaningful procedure, especially for the inauguration of the block offices. I intend to make it as common as possible, where instead of the minister or the chief minister inaugurating buildings, I would want somebody from the society, some individual who has contributed in some way to the village or to the state or to the country, do the honors to inaugurate that building or that particular project. I feel it is much more meaningful, because Chief Minister and Minister will do their work, do what has to be done, but involving the community, involving those who have contributed to society, not only sends a positive message to the people, but also leads to a sense of recognition for those who have contributed. So today we have an ex-army person in form of Bakiltanla. And it is an honor that a person who has served for our country is going to be today inaugurating this particular block office today. So I just wanted to share this, and this is something that I would desire that every department in every inauguration should try and bring somebody from the community to do the honors to inaugurate the building. So with these few words, I request our chief guest of today to inaugurate the block building and to unveil the plaque. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
One, two, three. Come. Morning. Yes. Sure. Is somebody there? Okay. So for the citizens and for the press and the media. So this is what we call the CM Connect centers. As you already know that the CM Connect is a program, the CM Connect is an idea that the Chief Minister must connect with the grassroots, must connect with the people. And in order to connect governance with the people, we are using multiple channels. And therefore, whether it's the call center, whether it's a CM Connect program, which is what we're going to have after some time, or whether it is centers like these, where people can come and they can express their grievances out here. I will just try, I'm not very good at this, but I'll just try and do that. There is some complaint that is there. So let me inaugurate this Sohïong CM Connect Center by being the person to take the first complaint officially. Come. Okay. Yeah, so what is the grievance? Please tell me what is the issue that you have facing, problem facing?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
This is problem of our village. Main thing is for farmers, that is the irrigation. One point. And number two is the main thing is playground. Medium. Mini stadium for playground. And also for the health department also, we have to upgrade for the CSC also.
Which village is this?
It's not for this area.
Okay.
And then for the area for the village is need for the boarding community hall.
So what we will be doing, just to share with you, so that because we don't have much time, that all these points now here, which have been mentioned here by Jirwa.
Yes.
And what we'll be doing is that this center here is an online center. So there are agents out here who will be entering all the issues that have been mentioned here by Jirwa. These will go straight to the different departments, and the different departments will then take up this matter, revert back to the center, and this center will then revert back to Jirwa. Of course, we have to know that we cannot solve all the problems.
Okay.
Yes, but what we will do is that at least we will ensure that we note everything down and work towards solving it. And there are some of them which are very simple, that we understand, like for example the mini stadium that you mentioned. These are areas we can easily work on. Irrigation depends on how big the area is, so we have to work into all those details. But friends, the point being that this kind of a system and this kind of a process allows people now to connect with the government and express their concerns and their problems in a very, very simple and a direct way. So I hope and I wish this center the very best. And please remember, you are the most important people in the center. Your one small smile can make a big difference. I can see that you guys smile very nicely. So please be kind to the people. Please be good to them and take care of them. I think being kind is maybe 50% of the work that we try to do through CM Connect, to be empathetic, to understand the people's problem. And I think that's very, very important. Okay? So good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you, Majid.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Sohïong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEM's, our ride, our future.